Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Acuity scheduling. More specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you link or connect your Stripe account to Acuity scheduling? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to link your Stripe account to Acuity scheduling? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business using Acuity scheduling, you know that if you can connect your Stripe account to your Acuity scheduling, your clients can go ahead and make payments using their credit card. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Acuity scheduling dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. I've already logged into my Acuity scheduling, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to link or connect your Stripe account to Acuity scheduling, here on the left side, there's a menu, and you want to click here on payment settings. Okay, once you click there, you're going to see these three options at the top, and you want to click on connect underneath the Stripe logo. Okay, once you do that, Stripe's going to open up a browser, and you want to go ahead and enter in the email address that's associated with your Stripe account, and then click on submit. Okay, next Stripe's going to ask you to enter in your Stripe password here, and then click on submit. Okay, next Stripe's going to show you the companies you have associated with your Stripe. Go ahead and choose the one that you want to connect to your Acuity scheduling. So I'm going to go ahead and choose this one. Okay, once you've chosen, go ahead and click on. Okay, next Stripe's going to ask you a few questions about your business and how you're going to be using Acuity scheduling. So go ahead and just fill this out and then click on the continue button here at the bottom. Okay, next Stripe's going to show all of your financial information like your address, your banking information. So go ahead and review that, make sure it looks okay, and then click on agree and submit. Okay, a quick second later, Acuity scheduling refreshes, and now you can see that my Stripe account is now connected. So now as I'm onboarding clients, they can go ahead and make payments with their credit card using my Stripe account. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to link or connect your Stripe account to your Acuity scheduling, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.